how to set the camera flash to on, off, or auto on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And from the home screen, open up the camera app. Next, at the bottom, you want to tap on the photo mode and then swipe up. Next, in the menu at the bottom, tap on the flash icon. From here, you can choose on, or you can choose off, or you can select auto. Now, if you select on, then the phone will always use the flashlight. If you select off, then the camera will always take a picture with the flash turned off. Otherwise, you can select auto and the phone will automatically determine if it needs to use the flash or not. And that's it. And at the top here, you can also choose to quickly turn on or turn off a flash. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.